This tutorial will cover the removal and installation of the speaker on the Ovention Matchbox Oven model M1718. To complete this procedure, you will need the following tools: Phillips head screwdriver, 1/4 inch socket or 1/4 inch nut driver, various extensions, and a ratchet. Turn off the front cover power switch, allow the unit to cool. Turn off the disconnect switch, unplug the power cord from the receptacle, or lock out the breaker. Remove the rear cooling fan filter located behind the right-hand outer control compartment cover and set it aside. Remove the 7/4 inch screws securing the right-hand outer control compartment cover in place. Disconnect the inline electrical connector for the cooling fans and set the cover aside. Disconnect the 2-wire speaker connector from the relay board. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the speaker to the component support bracket. Remove the speaker from the unit. Reassemble the unit in reverse order. Once reassembled, without the control compartment cover installed, check all electrical connections on the relay board and speaker. Reconnect the right-hand cooling fan inline connector. Install the 7/4 inch screws to secure the right-hand outer control compartment cover in place. Place the right-hand rear cooling fan filter in its support bracket. Installation is complete.